What up, y'all? Tim Z here, back at it again, like you can always expect. And today, I'm going to be showing you guys something new that I just got here. All right. Packaging, bubble envelope, the new style envelope that a lot of people are using, a lot of brands are using now. Refyne, modern, minimal carry. Now, let's get right into this. Okay, let's rip this open. Oh man, I'm just gonna use a knife because this is a knife. Well, it's not a knife channel, it's just a channel. But I don't know, this bag looked kind of nice and I didn't want to cut it at first, but hell with it. It's getting cut. Hopefully I didn't cut anything on the inside. All right, let me open this package. All right. What's in here? Got that. And this. All right, that's all. Now, it says questions, info at refyne.com. There's the warning, guys. Keep away from the small children. All right. And here's a little sticker. Got plenty of those. Got to put them to the side because I don't want to make a mess over here. I got too many stickers. All right. Refyne EP1. There's a sticker on the top that says CPR, which you'll see what it stands for soon. And let's undo this. You guys like that sound? Let me do it again for you. One more. Okay, guys. Now, let's put this aside. It says, thank you for choosing Refyne. Follow us on social media. Search Refyne Co. And there's their info. All right. Now, this pen comes vacuum sealed because the moment this bag is opened, it will start to patina. Yes, indeed, this is copper. All right. And we have another pen here, the brass and the aluminum. All right. Now, this one started as a stone-washed titanium, all right? Stone-washed titanium. Did I call that aluminum by accident before? Pardon me. Now, we'll just keep these right here. The brass is nice. It's got weight to it. Titanium feels lighter. And this one's going to be the heaviest out of the three. Okay, now let's cut this open. Okay, right here on the channel. All right. Now, I'm not going to wear any gloves, guys. This is going to be patina time starting today. All right. Okay, what do I think about this, guys? Man, they look good together, don't they? Here, let's see if we can weigh these right now for you guys so you guys can see the weight of the pens. Now, let's start with right here, titanium. It's 0.94 ounces, okay? You know what? It's 26 grams, all right? We got 40 grams here. And we got 43. All right, guys. Pretty sure my scale's off, but you see the difference, all right, between the three. And the copper is what this video is on, so let's focus on that. The copper is very shiny. All right, very nice. The little spacer where the bolt goes into is steel, it looks like. All right. It's a nice look for this one because it matches the color of the clip. All right. Just like this one. This one's bead blasted. I bead blasted the clip. This one has a copper spacer or barrel, whatever you want to call it. Now, man, now that I'm looking at this one is probably, this one's going to be a bead blasted clip soon, I think. You know, I think it gives it a nicer look when it's bead blasted. Especially after it loses some of its luster and it patinas. All right, but to be honest, this brass one has not been patinaing too quickly. All right, and this one I kept it shiny because it matched the polished titanium over here, and it just looked right. Okay. Overall, though, it handles just like the other pens. Okay. Now let's open it up. I know I'm taking too long to ramble here. Got a little silicone O-ring here for a snug fit. We got the Schmidt Easy Flow 9000 right here. Good refill to come with. Okay. This is all titanium, guys. See the threads? Okay, let's put this back together because that's really all there is to it. If you were to disassemble this pen, which I'm not sure why you would have to unless you were modifying this pen in some way, you would first have to undo this bolt here, Torx T6, I believe. All right, and this one you just undo to take off the clip, okay, which is the same size screw, I believe. Same size bit to unscrew both. And yeah, this little barrel will come right out. And that's that. And this is, I don't know, guys. Let's see. This, damn, I don't have anything to write on over here. That's a major, right here. All right. Easy Flow working well. It's got a, it's got a good weight to it. Not bad. Now, slightly noticeable. Slightly noticeable. It's not too much of a difference between these two, but this one, big difference. That's the main thing. Now, this is a nice pen over here. These three are nice pens, actually. I really like this. Refyne Co. Wait, how much does this one run for? I forgot. I think it's like $49.99. I cannot remember, actually. But, oh well, you could check them out on their website, right? I think that it's a good value. And it's good weight, materials, you know, really good. Really like it. I like the size of these pens. I like the configuration of the bolt. I like how the long stroke is on the right side for righties, right? Right? A lot of bolt action pens have the long stroke on the left side, and that's kind of awkward to go like this. Closing it is easier, but opening it takes more. Like, it's not natural for a righty to hold a pen and go this way so much as to compared to this, right? Your thumb naturally moves more this way than this way, right? Yeah, guys, so I'll just give you guys a final look of the pens. Beautiful pens. Got three now. Good looking pens. Yeah. Easy refill to find. Anything that's replaceable or same size as the Schmidt Easy Flow 9000 fits in here. Okay. All right, guys. If you like what you saw, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, TimZUSA. And until next time, Tim Z